Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of GILL Rice Mill, Guru SAHNEWALA versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 105 ITR Tribunal at page number 717, and the matter has been decided by AMRITSAR ITAT, and the date of the judgment is 11th July 2023. This case is a perfect example to demonstrate that the assessee should not make a habit of delaying its income tax returns or TDS returns or filing the tax audit reports or any other compliances which the assessee has to do on time. Sometimes it is the tendency of the client or the assessee that they delay the matter. They think that if the TDS return will be delayed by 2 days, they will pay 400 rupees. If the income tax return will be delayed, then there will be a penalty of rupees 5,000 and like that. But if the returns will be filed on time and in any year, if any delay will be there, then the assessee can take the plea that the assessee is not a regular defaulter. So his exceptional delays should be given some liberty and the penalty should not be imposed on him. In this case also, this was the case. The assessee was under the obligation of filing its tax audit report, which the assessee was doing. But for the assessment year 2017-18, the assessee got its tax audit delayed. The assessee obtained tax audit on 3rd September 2017. The due date to file the tax audit was 7th November 2017. But the assessee filed its tax audit on 24th January 2018. So there was delay. There was no doubt about that. The assessing officer issued show cause notice under section 274 read with section 271B to show that why the penalty under section 271B should not be imposed on the assessee. The assessee gave its reply and said that due to the change in the tax auditor during this year, the assessee was not able to file its tax audit report on time. And the second plea of the assessee was that the assessee is not a regular defaulter. He always files its tax audit on time. So there is reasonable cause for getting the tax audit report filed late and it should be given liberty. But the assessing officer was not convinced and the assessing officer went away with the penalty. Even the CIT appeal was not impressed with the submissions of the assessee, so the matter was before the ITAT. First of all, the ITAT said that there was change in tax auditor during the year. So the question was that whether change in the tax auditor during the year can be a reasonable cause for getting the tax audit filed late. On this point, the ITAT said that change in the tax auditor is a reasonable cause for which the assessee should not be penalized, and it is a reasonable cause to demonstrate that why the assessee has filed its tax audit late. And apart from that, the ITAT said that since the assessee is not a regular defaulter, so in the present case, the penalty should not be imposed on the assessee. Friends, although it was a matter of only penalty of rupees 84,160 rupees, but nowadays the department is going ahead with the penalty of filing late TDS returns even for 2 days. Generally, it is the perception that if we will file the TDS return late, then we have to pay the fees of only 2 days at the rate of 200, and by paying 400 we will get away. But now the department is imposing penalty of rupees 1 lakh because there is a slab of from 10,000 to 1 lakh and the department is going ahead with 1 lakh. So once this penalty will be imposed, then there will be a lot of cost on the assessee. So just to avoid these type of situations, try to be regular in filing your TDS returns, your income tax returns, your tax audit reports, and filing all your forms, because now they have very serious repercussions on the tax liability of the assessee. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is GILL Rice Mill Guru Sir Snehewala versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 105 ITR Tribunal at page number 717, and the matter has been decided by AMRITSAR ITAT, and the date of the judgment is 11th July 2023. Thank you, friends.